Hello guys, thank you for watching my channel. You can subscribe for getting latest updates.
I'm here again. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do the Zaku dance. Yeah, I'm doing a tutorial on that now. So let's get to the video. So hey guys, while doing the Zaku dance, the first step is this. Well, this is funny, but like that is it. Your leg has to be like you have a key leg. Your two knees have to come closer like this, while your leg be like this. So yeah, it has to be like this first. It's funny though, I know, but like, yeah. So, but well, you don't have to be straight. Whenever I dance the Zaku dance, I always like to bend a little. So yeah, you just bend a little. Not like this, but like just a little. Then you do what I said earlier, this way. Then you bend a little. Yeah, so the first step, you turn like this, just a little. Then you make your knee come closer like this, like you have a K leg, like this. Then you come down a little. So after you do this, you try and bend your shoulder, like bend it to the left. You get, so you get this, but then you'll bend it. You get it. So while you're doing that, your hand, you cross your hand like this. After you do this, the next thing now is you do this and this. I'm sure everyone can do this. It's so easy. So you do this, but then you're hitting the side of your leg and not your full leg. So just like this. But then you hit. Do it along with me, okay? If you're watching this video, just do along. So then you hit the side of your feet on the floor like this. So yeah, let's start from beginning. You go side, you bend your leg, come down, this, then do what I just did with your leg like this. So you do this, but then, hey. That just helps for the Zaku dance. So yeah, but then you have to, your head has to go, put some swag, like, So yeah, I'm sure you got that. So after that one, the next thing is you have to cut it. So yeah, so this is just Zaku, but then you have to put some. So while doing that, just like your left leg goes this and your right. So your left goes on the floor like, it goes up and comes down. And when it comes down, your right goes up. You get it? Like, so when your right goes up, it kicks. So when it kicks, your head goes like you're kicking. When you kick your leg, your head goes. You get it? So then you have your hand like this already. So then you do as if you're killing yourself, like. That goes like, hey. But then you just have to vibrate your leg. You do this. That's just it. So you just vibrate your leg like. So it goes, hey. So yeah, I'm gonna do this with a song so you guys set a dance. So watch the video.